Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that PONS token. Now before we start the video, let's hear my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, PONS coin is launched on Robinhood blockchain via PONSfamily.com launchpad. PONS project is working as a launchpad on Robinhood blockchain. PONS project profile score is around 27%, which is little bit good. PONS token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is not showing yet. PONS token is listed on MEHC, LBank, Uniswap B3, Uniswap B4 and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.